Hello cute children, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a bunny. So it's a big bunny, maybe it's full of the paper. So but we have to make a big ears. So I will start from downside. So first of all, please watch full video to have fun. So let's get started. So for this purpose I will draw two eyes here. So two eyes, one, and the one is the parallel of the other. Try to make it almost same, but it's not a problem if it's not same, you know. Why? Because we are just having a fun. It's trying. So inside a one white part and the other side the same thing. One, okay, and the small. So I fill it, I leave these two white and fill it the black. So now it's time to make a nose. You have to draw V middle of the eyes. Okay, it's V shape and you have to make a round on the top. Okay, it is nose. For now it's time to make a face. It's okay, one and the two. Okay, you know it's bunny, it's look like these. Okay, amazing. So now it's time to make a teeth. So first of all you have to draw two lines and you have to connect them and you have to partition between the teeth. Okay, amazing. So now it's more, it's more. So now I will draw a face, a big face from here to here. So now be careful and make a face because it will be a big and go around the hair. Okay, near the eyes, near the face. So I will start from here and I will come down and go to from here and the upper side again. So amazing. So children, so now it's a boy. So I will make a bow tie here. So for this purpose I will draw a bow tie. So here, okay, and you know very well it's here and you have to meet these points. The same thing you have to do here and make this. Okay, so I make it correct, no problem. So because of it's not a complete, it's only a face and with big hairs. So now it's we are gonna make a big ears. So for this purpose, first of all you have to draw from here, you have to go, okay, one and again here to upper side. Okay, understood? You have to make these type of lines. So now more you have to come here and come to here. Okay, you have to put two dots because of it's easy for you to make and come down, otherwise you will forget where we have to come. Okay, so now I will make a round and come here. Okay, so I try to make a good, no problem, but we are having fun. So I'm coming. Okay, done. first it's done, so now it's turn of second. So second also I will try my best. Okay, so I have to put my hand here because of, and come down. Okay, amazing. So now it's more inside, you know very well as well. So we will go from here and come here. So you have to, now you have the track, you have to follow this track to the ears and come down. It's, you have to meet this dot. Okay, again you have to put two dots here and here, and you have to go to straight lines. You have to follow this track, your big ear, and you are making the inside come down. Okay, you have to put your hand here because of your paper. So come and meet this point. Amazing. So now it's more, we have to draw the cheeks. So 1, 2, it's the hair. Okay, so this is the same side. One small, middle one is little bit big, and the third one is also small with the equal difference. Okay, so amazing. So now what is missing? I have to color it, and I meet you after color. So amazing. So children, our bunny is ready. It was very big. I have seen it, maybe it's not came in the video, the lower part, but it's look like this, and you can choose your own choice color. I have choose here pink and blue, and you can try here blue. It's really look amazing. I have tried one time. So please watch full video and have fun in your life, and subscribe my channel. Be careful until the next video.